Hey guys, Terry here. I wanted to show you that I got my planner together for the year. It's so cute. I used my stickers that came in the cherry box, the Carpe Diem. I'll link to the video that I did for this a couple days ago. But I have my each month just decorated a little bit, stepping into that area of having fun, not just having a calendar with what the appointments are, but doing each month and sprinkling on a little bit of color. So I've got a place for the big monthly to-dos and what's on each month, and just using the stickers. There was some left over, so I'll probably use those in layouts, or I don't know, keep adding to the pages. I got to decide what I'm going to use for my, they have pages that are for a week at a glance, and then they have dailies, so I got to decide what I'm going to do for those, but just really liked those stickers. So my planner, I feel like my planner's ready for the new year. And then I got a couple things in the mail. I got the next Let's Make Art monthly box. I don't think I showed you last month's box. Last month was really busy and crazy with the holidays, so get this open here. What's it stuck on? Exactly about. Okay, so here's the January box. I'll do links to this. This is Let's Make Art, and I got into it because I wanted to do watercoloring. My friend Michelle mentioned it, so they've got instructions. There's always 4 projects in it, one for each week, and then on their website they've got the videos where she paints it and then gives you tips, and then you follow along. It always comes with some different colored paints for whatever the projects are, and then she picks 4 different drawings that she does. So let's see what this month's is. It has got lemons, so that's beautiful. Ooh, and a beetle. Crazy. She's got instructions here, and then it's really helpful and fun to watch the video and see what it is. That one here is some pastel florals, and then a hummingbird. Isn't that gorgeous? So she she makes it looks impossible, but the way she shows you how to do it, it's just really fun. So I like that it comes in a box and you can keep your supplies together. They also sell like a pan to put your water in for mixing your paint and everything. So that's called Let's Make Art, and like I said, I'll have links on my website. And then this one, I'm really sad about this one. This is the last monthly layout for the Scrapbook Generations. Their website has a huge sale going on. I don't know whether they're changing their program or if they're closing up shop, but here's a letter kind of explaining it. It says we still make kits, so they must be just selling the kits, which I love their kits, but they must not be doing the monthly option. So love that their kits come with, now I did the level where you got 5 2-page layouts. So I'll show you here. You get their one set was a set of paper that made 3 2-page layouts, and then she shows you how to cut the paper, and then the other 2 you picked how you wanted to assemble the set. So you either made it this way or made it this way, so they gave you the options. So their instructions are very clear in their kits. It tells you how to cut the paper, it shows you what it looks like, and then they also include the photograph. And the paper that they pick is always the latest and greatest sets. Look at this one. It's just so in right now, the plaids. So this is Echo Park. So not that you can't buy this paper, but their kit ideas are just so cute. And I think for the price, if you went out and bought this paper and then sat there and tried to make your own layouts, you know, I think that they have an excellent price point. So I'll have a link to their website because their kits are all on sale. Some of them are even 70% off. So love that they use very modern paper, you know, stuff that is out and available. And then, like I said, their ideas. I love their layouts because when you put the paper on and decorate it, it's got spots for 4x6 pictures. So some of them are trimmed down to 4x4, but they really do a good job of making them fit for, you know, great sized photos instead of having to trim them down. So, not that you couldn't. I mean, you could trim down pictures and fit more on, but at least their style is quick, put together, the paper looks great, and then your pictures go on there. So you could see where you could rearrange your photos to make them fit. This 6x4 could be two 2x3 photos here. Yeah, 3x4. Two 3x4 photos, or cut down even smaller. So just love their layouts. Their paper is so cute. You usually get a sheet of stickers, or a little thing of, you know, sometimes it has like the jelly bean ephemera or something in it. So just beautiful, beautiful paper. This is Cardabella, and then they also give you the white paper to make your layouts on. So I'm sad to see their monthly is going away. If you go to their website and subscribe, you get their emails, and then it tells you when their kits are on sale. But yeah, I love their layouts. They have books too. You can buy their books that show you layout ideas. So I highly recommend them. That's Scrapbook Generation, and I'll have links and useful tips over on my website. So thanks, guys. Happy New Year. Hey, I've just finished reading through their letter that came, and it seems like they've been doing it. It says the designers have been doing it since 2006, so they've been doing it for 14 years, and they're really just taking a break from it. So they just won't be doing the monthly subscriptions, but they'll be making kits, and their kits are on sale. So, so they're not calling it quits. I'm glad, but they are taking a break, and their kits and everything will still be available. They said it's been hard to. They said that membership is down. And it's also hard to come up with the collections that fit their, because that's the other thing about their kits is they have like common layouts, you know, stuff you would do for sons and stuff you would do for family vacations, and the, you know, the paper lines, they said, just wasn't fitting their niche of what they do. So I think it was just trying to churn those out month after month. So I'm glad they're not stopping. It sounds like they can't commit to something every month. It sounds like they'll probably have different sets, and you can go online and order it. So it sounds like they need a break. I can totally appreciate that. So I'm just glad they're not closing up shop. So I wanted to include that and let you know. They'll probably have this information on their website too. But they're saying thanks for the support over the years, and I'm so glad they're not going away. So I wanted to let you guys know. Thanks.